Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this week. I think most of us are, but that's a little bit of an assumption. I mean, some of you might be trying to short these meme coins. I don't think that would be a wise decision because Dogecoin, which we're covering in this video, got that bullish breakout we were talking about. All right. In general, I am actually very bullish on Dogecoin, which is a weird thing to say. I did not expect that. I did not expect that I would say that about a month ago. But no, I'm very bullish on Dogecoin. I think ultimately, especially when you assume that retail is getting back into the markets, I think Dogecoin and Pepe will be the best meme coin performers in the long haul. Now, obviously, some could test them. I think Shiba Inu can perform as well. But if you compare Shiba Inu with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu might have the biggest community at this moment. But Dogecoin has the most retail appeal, and also with everything that's going on with Elon, etc., has the most potential in that sphere. And apart from that, I mean, this chart just looks amazing. All right, if retail comes back and I see a chart like this, they're going to buy. But yesterday, to kind of zoom into the short term first, because right now, as most of you know, the markets are very over leveraged. All right, so trading Dogecoin with leverage and just in general short term trades is very, very risky. Huge funding rates also for Dogecoin, especially for Dogecoin. Like Dogecoin has one of the highest funding rates across the map. So Dogecoin is very risky to trade right here. And just in general, I would not necessarily use it with leverage. Bitcoin is also at a resistance, so that there is a realistic chance that Dogecoin will just spike down here. Will I buy then? Yes, because I think we can, at some point of time, we're going to have a spike like 30-40% down. If we get to this level right here at 12.5 cents, I'll be buying, all right, just so you know. But at this moment, to zoom into the real short-term time frame, even though we know we can have a big spike down, and we all must know that, all right? Before taking any trade, you must take that into account. But even though that's the case, Dogecoin at this moment looks very bullish. We've had the biggest pullback we've had basically since the start of this bullish momentum. So overnight, we had a pullback of about 19%. It's pretty big. But after the breakout, we just held the 236 fib, the 236 fib plus the 28 EMA. Like that's in relatively, that's the weakest support you can have for a rally in crypto. That reacted very positively. So technically, I would say Dogecoin is still bullish. We also $17 yesterday when we looked at it was the main level to break. We're still holding that. I would say 17 and a half, maybe 18 cents is our main support level. So as long as that holds, and we do have major support under that as well, but this is the main support level. Like if that breaks, we might be in some trouble. But the ultimate question is can we break above 20 cents? Because if you look at the daily time frame, 20 cents is a very, very important resistance level. Like if we break above that, then 25, 30 cents are very well achievable. So can we break above that or no? Yes or no? And I think the answer to that is, unfortunately, I don't know. All right, the markets right now, the last time I've seen markets like this is years ago. So at this moment, I would say if you look at Dogecoin and you look at the fact that after having had that 20% drop, we still found support and the open interest is still doing fine here. I would say it's most likely that we will continue up. But personally, I would wait for some sort of a breakout. All right, because I can tell you that I think it's most likely will go up, but I might be biased, all right? I want it to go up. I don't hold it yet, but obviously Dogecoin going up is good for the markets, is good for me. So maybe I'm too biased. So that's why I'm telling you our main support is 17 cents, main resistance is 20 cents. I think it's most likely we will head up to 20 cents and that we'll have a good chance to break above that and rally up to 23.5 cents. But waiting for 20 cents to break or 17 cents to break, because if 17 cents breaks, which is possible, because, I mean, the open interest, yes, it has gone up a bit, but that doesn't mean that it will continue to go up. So if that happens, we're going to get that pullback down towards 15 cents and potentially even lower. So wait for that breakout, all right? Like I said, I think it's most likely will continue up here, but in these markets, there are absolutely no guarantees. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.